Automation Edge is building delightful workplace experiences with its robotic process automation, IT process automation, hyper automation, conversational AI, and intelligent document processing platforms. You can get a snapshot of your processes on Automation Edge dashboard custom reports. This video displays how to create Automation Edge custom reports with a drill down feature. In this video, I will use a template wizard to create a template. The template feature was introduced in Automation Edge release 7.5. This video displays a drill down report for region and month-wise sale with drill down on month. Let us first go to the PostgreSQL database client, that is pgadmin, and view the sales revenue, database schema, and the tables. We will then go to the Automation Edge portal to create the report. I'm in the PostgreSQL client, that is pgadmin. Let us see the table structure of two tables, sales revenue and sales transactions. First, let me show you sales transactions. It is the transaction table and has the transaction ID, transaction date, sales type, region, product, and sales quantity. Let us have a look at the sales revenue table. It is a summary table containing the sales type, product, region, month, sales revenue, and the product page URL. We will create a drill down report based on the sales revenue table. Now let us go to the Automation Edge portal. I'm in the Automation Edge portal. Let us go to the reports menu. I have already created a data source for custom reports. Now let us go to the templates. Let us create a new template. Let me call it SR, that is sales revenue, region and month wise sales with drill down. Let us add a description, region and month wise sales with drill down on month, so that the report first shows the region wise sales aggregate, and you can click on the region to see the month wise sales aggregate. Next is associated workflow. You can select a workflow if your data is related to a workflow. Only users with permission to the workflow will have permission to this template, and they can see the data of the workflow. Let us select a data source. Now below you can see select approach to create template, and it shows JSON based approach and SQL based. However, we will click on fetch table list. Let me select sales revenue. You can now see a third wizard based approach. So we have selected that. Let us click next. Let us add the columns for the report. The first one is region, display name. I will provide region. Data type is string, and there is no aggregate function. Click on add column. Let us add one more column, month. Let me provide a display name month. Data type is string, and there is no aggregate function. Let me add another column, that is sales. Display name is sales. The data type is number, and the aggregate function is sum. So let us add the column. Let us click next. Now you can add a condition, or you can add groups with conditions to create more complex conditions. Right now I do not wish to add any condition. However, we cannot leave it blank. So let me just provide a dummy condition, 1 equal to 1. Let me click next. Let us click on enable summary row to see the summary sales values. Select the drill down column. Now here, after drill down, we wish to see the month level aggregate. So let us select month as the drill down column. Now when you use a wizard to create a template, it gives you the option to provide 4 parameters: the tenant ID parameter, workflow ID column name, date column name, and user ID parameter list. In my data, I do not have information relevant to these parameters. For now, I will leave them blank. In the next report, I will show you how to filter data by these parameters. Click next. Now since we have an aggregate function, we need to check the group result by columns. Now we have already specified month as the drill down column, so it cannot be present both as a drill down column and as a grouping column. So let me remove this. I will just keep region. Let me click next. You can provide a sort column. So I want to first sort by region in ascending order. Let's add that. And that's it. I just want to sort by region. Let's click next. For now, we don't want a chart. Click next. You can see the report preview which shows the region-wise sales. After creating the report, we will be able to click on the region and see the month-wise aggregate. You can view your generated SQL and the template JSON. Let us finish. So the SR region and month-wise sales with drill down template has been created. Now let us go to the dashboard. Let me select my dashboard. Let me add a report. I will select my template. Now you can select workflows to filter the report. For now, I will leave it blank and I will leave the page size to default. Click generate. You can see the report preview. You can add it as a table since we have not configured a chart. Save the report. Now, if you want to use the drill down feature, you need to maximize the report and you can click on any region to see the drill down with month-wise aggregate. Similarly, you can click for the rest of world region and see the month-wise sales, and the US region and see the month-wise sales. So let us go back to the dashboard. So we have successfully added a region and month-wise sales report with drill down on the month. Let us recap. We saw how to create custom reports with the drill down feature using Template Wizard. You can jumpstart your digital transformation journey with AutomationEdge and view the results in the AutomationEdge dashboard reports.